Hello class, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I Richa Parekh from St. Thomas High School, Mahua, am here to further continue with the subject of English for the students of class 7th. My dear students, during the previous lecture, we discussed activity number 5 of unit number 5, Health and Nutrition. So today, we are going to start with activity number 6. Study the pyramid and answer the following questions. So here is a kind of a food pyramid given. So we need to study the food pyramid and then answer the questions. Let's see what is food pyramid. A food a food guide pyramid is a pyramid shaped guide of healthy food divided into sections to show the recommended intake of each for each food group. The first food pyramid was published in Sweden in 1974. The food pyramid was introduced by United States Department of Agriculture in the year 1992, was updated in 2005 and then replaced in 2011. Over 25 other countries and organizations have also published food pyramid. So what is food pyramid? A food guide pyramid. That means in a pyramid shape, a full guide is given that how a person should eat the food so that they can stay healthy. The food is divided into various sections which shows that how much food should be taken at what time so that the person can stay fit and fine. The first food pyramid was established and published in Sweden in 1974, and hence it was introduced in India by United States it was introduced by United States Department of Agriculture in 1992 and was updated in 2005 and it was replaced in 2011, and over 25 countries and organizations have also published food pyramids. So let us see the food pyramid one by one. So the very first section includes fat, oils, sweets used sparingly, plus calcium, vitamin D, vitamin B12 supplements. So here, the food which we eat, the main food which includes fat, oil and sweet, and also contains the vitamins such as vitamin D, vitamin B12 and other supplements. The second section includes milk, yogurt and cheese group. So here in the second section, milk, yogurt that means dahi, and the cheese items, and it also includes meat, poultry, fish, dry beans and nut groups, 2 servings. Vegetable group, it includes 3 servings and fruit groups includes 2 servings. The section 3 also includes fortified cereals and bread, rice and pasta, 6 servings. So here the very last part is water, 8 servings. So the kind of food which we must eat, either this side or that side, which helps us to stay healthy. Now let us discuss the question answers. The very first question is name the main food group of each section of pyramid. So here in section 1, the main food group includes fat, oil and sweet. The second section, the main food group, milk, meat, poultry, fish, dry beans and nut. In the third section, the main food group includes vegetables and fruits. The fourth section includes cereals, bread, rice and pasta. Let's see the second question. Name 3 food items which you include in your meal from each section of the pyramid. So this question means that what kind of food which what we include in our meals. So we have oil, sweets, milk, cheese, dry beans, vegetables, rice and cereals in our meal. How many servings of vegetables and fruits should you have in a day? Why? We should have at least 2 servings of vegetables and fruits in a day because they have lot of fibers and vitamins in them. They are rich in calories but low in fat. How many glass of water do you drink in a day? Why should one drink 8 glasses of water a day according to the pyramid? One should drink 8 glasses of water in a day according to the pyramid because water helps to maintain the balance of water in our body. It keeps the temperature of our body balanced. It also helps us to digest food pushed in undigested food through the bowels. Do you agree with the concept of food pyramid? Arrange a class debate. Yes, I agree with the concept of the food pyramid, and once we are back to the normal school, we will hold a class debate in our school. So my dear students, here we are at the end of today's video. In the very next class, we will be starting with activity number 7. Thank you and have a nice day.